Hello traders, welcome back to our weekly market outlook. I am Mr. Wags from ForexSPV, and as usual, every week beginning we break down key market setups so you are prepared ahead of the new trading week. And in this week analysis, we'll be looking at the same pairs that we have been looking and following for a while. So we'll be looking at EURUSD, we'll analyze EURJPY, GBPCAD, USDZAR, and gold. So let us start with EURUSD. So here we'll be doing technical analysis using the MQP ROE strategy. So on the monthly time frame, we usually look at the areas of support and resistance that are close to the current market price so as to determine the market structure. So on the weekly and monthly time frame, there is where we determine our market structure. And from the previous weeks and months that we have been following, we saw that EURUSD had bounced on this order block, had a bullish market structure, did break this area of resistance here, came and retested it, and we're around the 200 EMA. But then we had this retracement, and now we can see we are looking for a continuation. But the market structure here is still bullish. That's based on the monthly time frame. And this is the weekly time frame. So price has been rejecting this level. So you can see the pins here. So it's like an area of support forming. And right now, we are still looking at a bullish market structure. So this is the daily time frame. We had a very good peak here. The market moved, but then we had this as a reversal. So you can see price has been bouncing around the 50 MA, continue going up. And we are having price bouncing around the 13 MA. So if you go to the lower time frame, we will see a peak reset there. So around this area, we had a peak reset. This was on Thursday. We had CPI news for the dollar this Thursday. And this is what happened there. So on EURUSD, if you look at this, this was like a peak. We had another peak here, and we had a reset here. Okay, so we are having a consolidation. Price has retraced to cover up to this point. So we have all this area of liquidity. So this is called the fair value gap. That price might come through. So just put this as an order block. And as for now, I'm expecting for price to come to this level and then shoot up. So week beginning, false move, and then we continue going up. So that is my anticipation of EURUSD. Now let us look on what EURJPY is doing. So this is the monthly time frame, and we have been following this pair for a while now. And you can see we had a very good bullish market structure after forming this area of support here. And we are at the resistance level. So price is still looking to break that area, to break that level. Okay, so the momentum is very, very low here. And we are at that area of resistance. That area of resistance. We had a little bit of a sharp spin here, but then the market, the TDI, if you look at the RSI price line, it is looking to find this high here. So the day time frame, we are still at that area of resistance. So price until now is failing to break it, failing to break it, failing to break it. And this is the hour time frame. So if you look at this, we're having like a shoulder, head, and another shoulder here. I would expect for a sell on EURJPY. Yeah? I would expect for a sell on EURJPY. And this here is a peak formation high. So that is what I am expecting on EURJPY. Now let us look on GBPCAD. This is the monthly time frame. The market structure is bullish. We're having a very good bullish market structure. And that is our next area of resistance. And we are having a support just there. So price has been in consolidation, and right now you can see the momentum is picking up. And we are still on a bullish market structure. This is the weekly. We're having a support. And the market structure is looking very bullish. So price out of this area. So this zone here. And then you can see the momentum here was very good, Very, very good. So we have a very good bullish market structure on GBPCAD. So let us look for lower time frames. This is the peak formation low. And if we measure the ADR, ADR times 3 is around 270. So this here completed 3 times ADR. However, we had only 2 levels. So this here is an extension, price extension to find this large quarter, and price has now stayed confined within this large quarter. And we're having a peak, and we're having a very good bullish market structure. So if this peak unfolds, this here should be our target. So around that hesitation zone. So price should go to the yesterday high, give us a pattern to sell. And this here is our target, the hesitation zone. So we are having areas of liquidity here. So we're having this as a fair value gap. So I would still see a price coming up to this level before continue going up. However, the movement of price here, the momentum might be very low to cover this fair value gap. So you should be prepared for that. If you take a sell, you should expect for the momentum to be very low. So you should hold on to that trade. Okay, so right now we'll be looking at a pattern around the retracer. That will be a very good pattern for us to set. Okay, so let's shift to USDZAR, our lovely exotic pair. So we are having a very strong bearish market structure. So we're having this as an area of resistance. The market came to this order block. It failed to return. It failed to go up, and right now you can see it is breaking through the order block. And we are having a support area just below. We have not reached it yet. So we are on a bearish market structure on USDZAR. This is the weekly, still bearish market structure. This is the daily. So this way is very easy. We had price rejecting this 50 MA, and we had that move, a retracement to the 13 MA. We're still selling. So right now you should be looking for sales on USDZAR. So this here will be our last peak formation high. They have completed the 3 times ADR. They've completed the 3 times ADR. The market structure is still very, very strong on the bearish. So we are having this sort of breaker block. So a retracement and then sell. So if you take a buy on this pair, you should know that it's a short-term buy. It's a short-term buy. However, sales are what align with higher time frame buyers. So this will be our long-term sales to hold. I mean, if you take your trade position, that will be a trade position to hold. Now let us finish up with gold. So it's the fundamentals, the economic downtowns going on. Gold remains to be a safe haven asset, increasing its value. So it's making new highs. It has reached around 3,650. This is 70. Yeah, 3,675. So that's the highest price it has reached right now. And the market structure looks very bullish. If we come to the lower time frame, we're having this as, if you remember, we had stayed with gold on this zone for a long time. So this was simply a consolidation now. Gold simply went up. So these were all opportunities to take buy trades on gold. And right now, you can see price is still consolidating around this zone. If we have a retracement, we can have a retracement to this other block. So this area here, and then a continuation up. So therefore, the TGI, if you look at it, so the shark fin here, so the shark fin, it is moving real big, but we see a shark fin on this area. So we should expect for a peak reset, So we should expect it for gold to form a peak reset, And gold might sell to this point and then make a good peak reset. So if you take sales on gold, that will be temporary, Short-term move in the market. But then we should be looking for buys because the market structure shows very good bullish momentum. And even on on the R4 time frame, if you look at the TDI, it's showing signs of going to make a peak reset. So that is what I anticipate on gold for this week. So if you're part of our signal program, mentorship program, or account formation program, that is where we take action. So we have the best strategy right now to pass a program. So if you have a program with you and you need for us to help you to pass it, then you're welcome to join us. So if you're looking to pass your program and consistent income every month, you're welcome to work with us. So I hope this analysis will give you clarity for your trades this week. And don't forget to like, drop a comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you want to join any of our program, you can simply find me on WhatsApp or on Telegram or on Instagram. So see you next week and have a profitable trading.